Hello, gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm in the Caucasus Mountains. Amazing place. Look at this. There's Russia over there on the other side of this. Amazing. Apparently, Georgia was never taken over by Russia because they can't get across these mountains with tanks. Very interesting. I'm in Georgia. It's so beautiful here. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades, what I think is happening. It's pulling back a little bit to the support. This is dangerous. We need to get strong bounces here. There's not much volume. I'm also going to show you Luna, which is up thousands of percent. Crazy. Today alone, I'm going to show you on the charts, but up thousands of percent since CZ on Binance re-put Luna back in. In the previous video, which is getting 10,000 views or something, I explained what happened exactly with UST and Luna, the entire kind of the whole thing that happened. If you want to watch it on the previous video on this channel, hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, which we hit today, which is amazing. Smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Technicals for Bitcoin on the daily, Squeeze Mob is having a pullback. It's still going red. It hasn't turned gray, and until it turns gray, it might not be the bottom. We really need it to turn gray. We had a lot of volume, but I do think this was the bottom. So if you don't know what this is, you're looking at the price of Bitcoin moving over time. This is since the beginning of the year. You're watching Bitcoin. Since the beginning of the year, we dropped from 50,000, bounced off 34, and we've just been ranging between 50 and 34. And then we had this big drop off when the Luna UST crash happened with the stock market crash, and we had a big pullback in the markets. Now, why I think it bottomed is, again, like I said in the previous video, we had these big wicks down. And why I think it bottomed, when we had those big wicks, there was a lot of panic at the same time. We had panic in Bitcoin, panic in UST, panic in USDT. Everyone was freaking out at that same moment. That's why I think we had that big liquidation spike and that big spike down and then big bounce. And that usually is capitulation and the sign of a bottom. So that, in my opinion, was the sign of the bottom for Bitcoin. Let's go into the 4-hourly charts. So on the 4-hourly charts, we had this big bounce, and Squeeze Mob did go to the green side. Volume was huge, and it's pulling back. Stochastic is overbought, heading down, so not so good on the 4-hourly. Big pullback is happening right now. We need it to bounce, or this will not be good for Bitcoin. RSI just crossed again to head down, so again, not so nice for Bitcoin at the moment. RSI did cross down, and we've had this big drop recently. In the last 2 days, we've been dropping since that big bounce. The last day, we went up to 31,000, then we're dropping, now sitting at 28,000, almost 29,000. We got rejected off the EMA ribbons on the 4-hourly, which is not nice. Until we can get above the EMA ribbons, it's still bearish on Bitcoin. VPVR, we have not much support down here. Underneath that $30,000 area, Crypto Guru bot still showing a sell. Bitcoin indicator bot is showing a buy. I did open trades on Bitcoin in the last video and I went long, but with a very low stop loss down to 23,000. I've got a stop loss that goes down there, and it's just a small trade. I will add more if we come down. My goal is to pick up Bitcoin here. We are already more than 50% drop since Bitcoin's all-time high. We're actually, let's see exactly how much we've dropped. We've dropped from there to there. That's a 61% drop. So my goal is to pick up Bitcoin. It is possible Bitcoin comes lower. It's possible that we come down to 23,000. Even possible that we come down, very unlikely, but possible that we come down to 19,000, the previous 2017 high. If it does do that, I will be buying more Bitcoin as we come down. I'll be stacking Bitcoin here because in the long run, in my opinion, Bitcoin is one of the scarcest assets, real money. So 4-hourly, we're heading down, it looks like. On the hourly, the RSI is heading down quickly. Stochastic is oversold on the hourly, so this could be the end of this drop. Let's see. Squeeze Mob is going still to the red side, but it is dropping still on the hourly. But again, this candles, that was this big drop the other day, that was a big capitulation because UST, USDT. Let's check out Luna as well. Luna got re-put back into Luna USDT on Binance. Luna got put back onto the markets because CZ put it back on Binance, and Luna is now actively on Bybit. It's not showing. Let's go. We need to do it on Luna BUSD on Binance. So Luna is actively trading on Binance, and look at that, up 241% today. I did buy a bit of it after this big drop. I did add a little bit to Luna. And if we zoom closer, you can see that Luna in the last, it's very dangerous to buy Luna. I just want to say this. Do not go buying Luna unless like you're really, it's just purely gambling money, because it did break. But on the notice of CZ relisting it, Luna has already gone up in the last day. It went up a total of 13,238% from the bottom. 13,238. That's 132 times, right? Oh no, 1,000. Anyway, 1,300. No, 13,238%. What is that? 3,000%. So 300% is 3 times. 3,000% is 30 times. So it went up 130 times since the bottom. I think that's the right calculation. Luna is currently pumping, which is unbelievable right now. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you can go down below, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes on this video on your phone underneath this video. Hit the subscribe button. Join now 74,000 subscribers. Click the join button to follow my live trades in stocks, in cryptos, shorting, longing. You see my live trades and you get notified when you click that join button. And if you want to trade over on Bybit, sign up using this Bitcoin trading on Bybit link. You now get a $4,600 bonus when you sign up and use this Bybit link. 4,600, not 4,100 anymore. But you have to deposit Bitcoin in Bybit to get that bonus. You can also take the crypto master course with my 6,000 students, where you learn about longing, shorting, trading, cryptocurrencies. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I have a huge following now on both of those as well. Over on my Bybit account, I have $192,000 in here. Quite a big drop, around a $10,000 drop since yesterday. I've got BNB. Bit is around 5% down. I have quite a lot. I've got Bitcoin, which dropped 6% today, and CRV, which had a big drop, 15%, and I had quite a bit of CRV, so it is pulling back right now. My Bitcoin long is currently down 9%, $284. It's a $3,000 long, but my liquidation price is at $23,000. I will be adding to this trade as we drop. My goal is to try and buy as much as I can of Bitcoin as it comes down and catch the bottom. Why? Because I think the extreme bottom is either now, when we had that big fear down to 25, possibly 19. Worst case scenario is 13,000. But I'm going to start buying Bitcoin as we come down. And my goal is not to catch the exact bottom. It's to start buying as we come down, because you can never exactly catch the bottom in my experience. But I want to get as close to the bottom and buy as much as I can down here as possible. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's what's happening to Luna. Luna up 13,000%, which is crazy. Be careful buying Luna, because it just bounced on Bybit, on Binance relisting Luna, and the CEO or the founder of Luna, Don Kwon, coming out and saying that he's got a recovery plan and they're going to try and do something to bring it back. They also have $1 billion worth of Bitcoin still, apparently. Also on Twitter, Magicraft NFT collection is about to go live. The NFT collection is going live right now. You can go to marketplace.magicraft.io. And the NFT collection is about to go live in less than 1 hour. We partnered with VLaunch, and there's 89% rares, 10% epics, and 1% legendary. These are the characters that are going live from the game. There's also one Tesla hidden inside the Magicraft NFTs. Each NFT is about 0.75 BNB. So go pay attention to that. It is about to go live. Also on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter. Oh, I don't have it open. I'll open it here. Over on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter. I have in here 34,000 followers on Twitter. You can see that Magicraft minting is about the pre-mint. You have to be whitelisted, but it's going live right now. The public sale will be after the whitelist. And this is CZ talking about Luna. He's saying reducing the supply should be done via burn, not fork at all date, and abandon everyone who tried to rescue the coin. If this is true, if they do burn it, this will give any holders of Luna, it can really rise after that. I don't own any Luna and USD, just commenting. Magicraft Genesis collection is coming. Minting walkthrough. This is on Twitter. You can follow Magicraft Game on Twitter. Whitelist presale goes live in 10 minutes, everyone. 10 minutes till the whitelist presale goes live. There's thousands of people already on the whitelist. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's what I think is happening in the market. Again, be careful buying Luna, but I did buy some down here. You can see over on Binance, I have in this account I have $397,000 US dollars, $397,500. I've got $89,000 of BNB. The rest is in cash, but I did buy Luna. You can see here that I've got now. Let's see how much Luna I've got. I have bought a bunch. I have 895,000 Luna. But again, be careful buying it. But I did buy it because we are close to the bottom. If it's purely a gamble on this, if they do make a recovery, and it is one of the biggest brands. This has gone world, like, it's crazy how many people are interested in Luna. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. Let me comment down below. Did you buy Luna? What are you doing with the markets? And don't forget, the whitelist is opening in 10 minutes at magicraft.io. The link is down below. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.